it's time for some raw, some real, some up-close moments with Ram Charan. And our Chief Business Officer, Mr. Ranjeev Jeet is here. Sir, are you ready?
Absolutely excited.
Excited?
Yes.
So this is the moment we have all been waiting for, sir. I request you to start over and take over before we start this chat show. Yeah.
Absolutely. I cannot tell you all how excited we are that, Ram Charan is with us today. It's like we're breathing the same air, we're on the same stage. It's fantastic. No, it's really, really fantastic. When I see the kind of performances that you have done, the global stage that you've got onto, the repertoire of work that you've done, it's amazing. Absolutely, absolutely amazing. And there is that level of magnetism that you bring to the stage and you bring to everything that you do. It really makes us really proud to be associated with you. So I really hope, we will be able to continue this relationship, and I think it's fantastic to have this.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you for your kind words, sir.
So, do you want to take it forward?
Well, yeah, sir. So, first of all, a very happy birthday to megastar Chiranjeevi.
Yeah.
Today is...
This is amazing that today is such a special day.
Yeah.
That he has given us time on this very special day when it's his father's birthday. So big round of applause and big congratulations. I mean, like I said, it's something that, you've given us time today, but for us also, it's a very, very special day.
Thank you,
when you think about it, you are a top hero, and our company is Hero. So just think about it, that
Beautiful.
How does it feel for a hero to be, representing Hero? I'd love to hear about that from you.
Thank you firstly for your kind and beautiful words. I will take it with a pinch of humility and lot of humility and with some pride also. Yeah. Andariki thank you, Andy Kodochinanduku andariki namaskaram. And me andar wishes, all your wishes, నేను ఖచ్చితంగా డాడ్కి కన్వే చేస్తాను. It means a lot for him. ఇవాళ మామూలుగా ఆయన పుట్టినరోజు చాలా we make it a very quiet day and make sure we're all present with him. ఆయనతోనే గడపాలని అనుకుంటా ఉంటాం. But ఇవాళ there is a Hero, a function there, and all the dealers and the customers కలిసే అవకాశం ఉంది నాన్నగారు ఇవాళ. Should I go or should I not go? He said, you better go today. That'll be the biggest gift you'll give me if you meet my... He said he already thinks he's also part of Hero.
Fantastic.
I think that's how we all look at it. If it's my movie or his movie, if it's my brand or his brand, it all becomes a family brand.
Lovely.
And
lovely. Let's hear it for Anthony.
So he's happy that I'm partly working and meeting all of you. And thank you to the whole Hero family and the team, and especially you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to be here today.
Fantastic.
Well, truly, the best of both worlds. You're celebrating your father and you're celebrating your work.
Yeah.
I'm sure your father would have teach you work comes first. So, truly, you're a family person, and, you come from a lineage of such history. Dr. K. Chiranjeevi Garu has been ruling the hearts of Telugu ప్రేక్షకుల యొక్క మనసుని రూల్ చేస్తున్నారు చాలా డెకేడ్స్గా. సో ఆ లీనియేజ్ నుంచి మీరు వస్తున్నారు, ఆయన స్టైల్ కొద్దిగా అడాప్ట్ చేసుకున్నారు. బట్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఆల్సో ఎస్టాబ్లిష్డ్ అ డిఫరెంట్ స్టైల్ అండ్ అడాప్టెడ్ యువర్ డిఫరెంట్ మార్కెట్. And how has it been? Has it been easy, difficult? How did you establish that, your own OG style?
I think it's an interesting question. Enta kadanna avunanna, you're part of the same blood. And to take and remove that blood out of you, it's very difficult. They say family is, and what do they say? Family and the blood is thicker than water. So how much ever we try, the tinge of something of my uncle Pawan or my dad, అది ఎక్కడో కొంత కనిపిస్తూనే ఉంటుంది. బట్ ఐ డోంట్ మేక్ అ వెరీ కాన్షియస్ ఎఫర్ట్. చాలా కాన్షియస్గా ఏదో డిఫరెంట్గా చేయాలని ఎప్పుడు నేను ప్రయత్నం చేయను. ఐ డూ వాట్ ఈస్ జస్టిఫైడ్ ఆర్ నెసెసిటీ ఫర్ దట్ మూవీ, necessary for that movie and that character. And when you do justification for that movie and that scene, you will automatically look different. You don't have to try to be different from your dad or your uncle or anybody who's doing well in your family. Just be natural and true to the character. You will look different. That's what I do.
That's fabulous. Nobody could have put it in a better way. Thank you very much for that.
But you know what? When I hear, and of course, like I said in the beginning about this magnetism that you bring in, that magnetism is so powerful. But it's backed by a lot of other things as well. There is that trust, there's that power, there's that reliability. Those are the values that, the OG Glamour has, for example. And there's the brand essence is about attraction. When a rider, the person who rides Glamour rides on it, there's a feeling, there's an aura of attraction that is there. And that's been there right from the beginning, from 19 years in this brand. To be able to capture those values in a human being, that is what we wanted to do. Where do we find someone who is so magnetic, who is so attractive, who has the power, who is so trusted, and who is so reliable and dependable, and also comes from the kind of lineage, because that became very important for us at Hero, because ours is also a 40-year
40+
old
years.
company.
Yeah.
So where do we find that? And believe me, we didn't have to look far. We just found that perfect match with you, Ramcharan, and
Thank
that is the most fantastic fitment that we could have ever found, ever. So that is, thank you for being in our lives and associating with Glamour.
Ranjiv Ji, I should firstly congratulate the Hero family and the Hero company for amazing 40 years.
Thank you.
Amazing.
Thank you.
And being the leader of the market in every segment, in every vehicle you have under your umbrella, it is truly a commendable thing. It's not easy. It's been a great journey for you and your team, and for us, for me to be associated with a beautiful bike like Glamour, which has a legacy by itself. It's a star. It's a celebrity by itself for
Yes.
19 years.
Correct.
And it is really honor for me to be associated with something like that.
Yeah.
I truly believe Glamour, the bike, is the star of the show, because I worked only for 15 years, and this Glamour has worked for 19 years.
Wow, 15 years already.
Yeah, I mean, I shouldn't be saying how many years.
So Ranjiv, so we've been talking about lineage here, and this is an era of really cool where everything is changing faster. I'd like to ask you, why is legacy of trust such an important attribute for Hero?
Yeah. You hit the nail on the head. This is a very special year for us, like we talked about.
Yes.
The company was started in 1984, so that's 40 years ago.
Wow.
So, and we've had 23 years of continued world leadership in two-wheelers. That's something which is quite amazing for a company from India, for Hero to have done that. And we, our customers keep us going, our dealers keep us going, our associations and partnerships like with you
Yes, sir.
are really valuable to us. So this thing is so important that it just builds up the whole momentum, the spirit of the brand
100%.
in the market.
Yeah.
And customers are also evolving over this time. So many things have changed. Many things have changed over 40 years. But the core of the brand, which is trust, reliability, and dependability, that is what we retain as something that we will never ever compromise on. The customer can be more discerning, the customer may want more. We will evolve for the needs of the customer, but we will always deliver what that is the core of that brand, which is trust. I mean, that is where we really take forward on the original greatest Glamour.
Well, without
I
trust, there
think,
is
yeah.
nothing. Yeah,
I think
please.
fortunately,
Ramcharan, this is something that our fans love. Just like your fans love,
I was
our fans also
just
love
about
that.
to say
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Trust is not something easy build over, and it takes a long time. It's been 47 years my dad has been working, and to build this trust and give that kind of trust and that legacy and that fandom, it is not easy. It is quite similar to the Hero brand and the Glamour customers and any of your other bikes, and it is as difficult or as amazing it is to get that kind of clientele and your customers. It is very easy to sustain.
Yeah.
Every person in the family, it is very easy. Chala custom, sustain avdaniki. And truly, God has been very kind to all of us to sustain and entertain all of you.
Tell me something about the same thing. You spoke about 47 years of experience,
Dad.
and you bear that responsibility over
I
your
don't.
shoulders.
I
And
don't.
audience actually, as much as they love you, they also compare.
I mean,
How did you
that's-
accept that, and how did you take it over?
The best part, they say ignorance is bliss. I truly believe that. I was born. They say some people are very sharp. They get everything in a light speed.
Yeah.
I'm a kind of guy, if somebody tells me or talks to me, I take it a little slow to understand. But when I understand, I come back with a much stronger results and everything. But
Yeah.
కొంచెం ట్యూబ్లైట్ అంటారు కదండి బట్ ఒకసారి వెలిగితే మళ్ళీ ఆగదు సో ఇట్స్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ దట్ టు హ్యావ్ లాయల్ కస్టమర్స్ లైక్ దిస్ టు హ్యావ్ లాయల్ ఫ్యాన్స్ లైక్ దిస్ అండ్ టు గివ్ దెమ్ లైక్ హీ సెడ్ దే విల్ హ్యావ్ ద రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు
Yeah.
అప్గ్రేడ్ యువర్ బైక్ అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు అప్గ్రేడ్ అవర్ సెల్స్ ఇన్ యాక్టింగ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్ బట్ వీఆర్ equipped to give that.
We are equipped, and there is this philosophy that there is no shortcut.
Yeah.
There is
100%,
absolutely no shortcut. You have to do the grind. You have to build it step by step. And whatever you need to do in terms of increasing your performance standards, you will do that. But the core of you must not change, because then the audience gets confused,
True.
right? So the core has to remain what you really stand for.
Yeah.
And I can see that's been your path as well.
Yeah.
Well, no shortcuts, like they say. Quick success builds ego, and slow success builds character. And Charan, I want to ask you something. Meeku chala హ్యూజ్ ఫ్యాన్ ఫాలోయింగ్ ఉంది, క్రేజీ ఫ్యాండమ్ ఉంది. ఒక మన ఇండియాలోనే కాదు, ఆర్ఆర్ఆర్తో ఇంకా హాలీవుడ్ రేంజ్ కూడా ఫ్యాండమ్ ఉంది. ఒక క్రేజీ ఫ్యాన్స్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ మీరు చేసే ఉంటారు. మీ లైఫ్లో ఒక క్రేజీ ఫ్యాన్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఏదైనా ఉంటే మీరు మర్చిపోలేంది అలాంటిదైనా ఒక మూమెంట్ ఉందా? ఒక క్రేజీ ఫ్యాన్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్.
ఇండియాలో we experience a lot, and I'm really thankful for my fans who have the trust and love for us. when I went for RRR promotions in Japan, there was a 68 or 72 between aged lady who has been following our path and our journey in this RRR and everything, and she started developing a liking towards the movie and especially towards me. She had a 180-page book, art book, and she had 180-page. All the 180 pages, she hand drew every expression of mine from all the movies, all the
Wow.
songs.
Amazing.
And to meet her, I thanked the RRR team for taking me to Japan and just to experience that person. She doesn't know my language. She was only introduced to me to my last 6-7 films through somebody.
182
and she
pages.
gave me the whole book, which she has acquired all these.
fantastic, fantastic.
And that is something heartwarming. To have a young fan, somebody who's very youthful, is different from Japan having a 68-year-old person.
Yeah.
Now that is something that's called a responsibility that which we have to carry more than the
Yeah.
legacy.
Yeah.
The fans' responsibility is more than the legacy we carry.
And that's the brilliant thing. I mean, to have someone at that profile from a country
Yeah.
that doesn't even understand
The language, yeah.
but it's like complete fandom. And that's what,
Yeah.
very powerful brands
Were
like
you
Glamour
in
can also
tears?
do.
Were you in tears
I
looking
mean,
at that?
we all were in shock. I couldn't even tear up right there because I was in shock.
Yeah.
Probably it was very heartwarming. I kept it in my heart, and I traveled back to India with all that love and respect.
Yeah.
Now that is heavy on your shoulders.
Yes.
Okay, Charan. Let's address the elephant in the room. Let's address the elephant in the room. You were just talking about RRR. How many RRR fans here? Okay. RRR షూటింగ్ ఫ్లోర్ నుంచి RRR ఆస్కార్ ఫ్లోర్ దాకా మీరు వెళ్ళారు. ఆ ట్రాన్సిషన్ ఎలా ఉంది? ఆ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా ఉంది?
I think it is one of the most unique experience. అది కొత్తగా చెప్పట్లేదు. రాజమౌళి గారితో పనిచేయడమే ఇట్ ఇస్ అన్ ఆనర్, and you get to learn something and learn so much. And every time I go and meet him or do a movie with him, I unlearn everything. మళ్ళీ స్కూల్కి వెళ్తున్నట్టు I declutter all my experiences and I want to start fresh. And he loves that kind of an attitude, I feel, because you can experience more.
Yeah.
And there is so much to unlearn when you work with him, and there's so much to learn. So it is very easy to work with such mavericks,
Yeah.
such legends.
Yeah.
And obviously, Oscar was a feather on the hat for all the
amazing.
hard work.
What an amazing
And all the
achievement.
love
Also, never
people have
expected this.
given for Natu Natu.
Yes.
And it's because of the people and people's love, it went all the way there.
It's phenomenal. I mean, what you achieved on the global stage made the whole country so proud of you.
Yeah.
Really. I mean, fantastic, guys.
Actually, it is. చాలా చక్కగా చెప్పారు. The biggest way of learning is first to unlearn. There are a lot of unlearnings. ఇవాళ పొద్దునే నేను ఇన్ఫాక్ట్ ఆ ఫిలాసఫీ చదువుతుండే. ఐ థింక్ రామ్ చరణ్ మనందరికీ తెలియకుండా తెలిసేమో చాలా మందికి తను చాలా మంచి ఫిలాసఫర్ అనిపిస్తుంది. నేను చాలా ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ పర్సనల్గా చూశాను. అంటే నథింగ్ టు టేక్ అవే ఫ్రమ్ యూ, బట్ ఐ థింక్ ఫ్యూచర్లో మీరు కూడా ఫిలాసఫీ బుక్ రాయొచ్చేమో. దానికి మేము అందరం క్యూ కడతామండి చదవడానికి.
Okay, I'll think about it. I like to read more than write.
సో నౌ దట్ వీఆర్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ RRR, దట్ RRR ఆ హుక్ స్టెప్ అనేది వరల్డ్ వైడ్ క్యాచప్ అయిపోయింది. ఇండియా కన్నా వెస్టర్న్ కంట్రీస్లో ఎక్కువ క్యాచప్ అయింది. మీరు అసలు ఎన్నిసార్లు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేశారు? తర్వాత ప్రాక్టీస్ చేశాక రియాలిటీ హిట్ అవ్వడం వల్ల ఎన్నిసార్లు చేయాల్సి వచ్చింది? అందాజుగా ఒక నంబర్ ఉందా ఎన్నిసార్లు మీరు ఆ హుక్ స్టెప్ చేశారు?
హిట్ అయిన తర్వాత ఇంకెందుకు చేయాలండి? I think, yeah, before it was extensive hard work. Both NTR and me did for 17 to 25 days. And then the shoot was again for another 15 days. So overall, it took us 30 odd days to just shoot few minutes.
Wow. That's practice till you get it
Yeah.
right. I mean, that's what it
Yeah.
takes to get
You
something
practice like that, anybody in this room can dance like that.
సో రంజీవ్ సార్, చరణ్స్ డాటర్ నేమ్ ఇస్ క్లిన్ తారా. చాలా చక్కటి పేరు. నాకు ఇప్పటివరకు దాని మీనింగ్ తెలియదండి. మిమ్మల్ని కలిస్తే మిమ్మల్ని ఒకసారి అడగాలని అనుకుంది. చాలా మంది కూడా అడిగారు ఇక్కడ నన్ను. క్లిన్ కారా అని మీరు ఎందుకు డిసైడ్ చేశారు?
I'm not religious. I'm not too spiritual or too religious, but it is from our Sanskrit scriptures.
Okay.
And a sloka which we read in our home every morning. I don't know, for decades.
Wow.
It's from Lalita Sahasranamam.
Right.
Sahasranamam, and it's one of those words. So
Right,
and we
beautiful.
thought it suited her.